Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Animal World. I'm your host Gen Hub, and today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to discover the fascinating creatures that inhabit our planet. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, get ready for a wild adventure. Our first stop takes us to the mesmerizing depths of the ocean. Join me as we dive into the world of marine life, from the elusive giant squid to the vibrant coral reefs. We'll witness the amazing adaptations that allow these creatures to thrive in this underwater wonderland. Venturing into the heart of the jungle, we'll encounter creatures with incredible camouflage skills, like the leaf-tailed gecko and the walking stick insect. We'll also learn about the intricate relationships between plants and animals that make these dense ecosystems so unique. Hold on tight as we head to the vast savannas. Here, we'll track the movements of majestic predators like lions and cheetahs, and witness the great wildebeest migration. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of survival on the open plains. We're now in the frozen realm of the Arctic, where we'll meet resilient creatures like the Arctic fox and the beluga whale. Learn how these animals have adapted to the extreme cold and explore the delicate balance of life in this harsh environment. Our final destination takes us high into the mountains. Discover the challenges faced by animals like the snow leopard and the golden eagle as they navigate the rugged terrain. We'll also discuss the vital role these habitats play in maintaining our planet's biodiversity. What an incredible journey we had exploring the diverse and captivating animal world. Remember, each creature has its own story, and it's up to us to ensure their survival for generations to come. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Animal World. Until next time, I'm Gen Hub, signing off from Animal World. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our natural world. Take care.